Today we are making this crunchy aloo wrap, or basically a chipotle aloo wrap, which is going to be super spicy, tangy and tasty, and of course crunchy. This is very easy to make, guys. It will hardly take 25 to 30 minutes to do, and the preparations are also very less. I mean, you don't even need boiled potatoes for this. So as I said, this is from work from home series. Let's begin cooking. So let's begin with potatoes. We have to peel them and then slice them like we do chips, right? But make them very thick. So these are like 1 centimeter thick chips. After that we are going to slice them. So just stack them and cut them into fries. So we need these kind of medium fries which are very thick. This shape will be very crispy and crunchy and still have that potato flavor. Don't make it very thin, guys. I've taken 5 potatoes here for making 5 rolls. Now for making them crunchy, take a bowl and we will take same quantity of maida or plain flour, rice flour and cornstarch. So we have to use the same quantity. I am taking 3 tablespoons each, and as I said, this will be good for 5 potatoes. Just season this with a little bit of salt and use water to make a batter. The batter shouldn't be thick, guys. This is perfect. Here you can see it is a thin batter. Now we will add the potatoes. Just like that, add the potatoes, mix them up, and then this is ready. We have to cook them now. So here I have some oil heating up. The oil is medium hot, flame is high. We will add the potatoes carefully. Don't add a lot at a time. Try to add a couple, and I'm adding half of the batch right now. So we will fry all these potatoes in 2 batches. Even if they stick together right now, don't worry. As they cook, they will automatically separate. As the potatoes are raw, we have to cook these in medium heat, and it should take you about 6 to 7 minutes. In that time, let's prepare the salad. Here I've got 1 large onion. I'm adding some cold water into it and we will let it soak for about 5 minutes. Similarly, I'm taking some cabbage as well. Add some cold water and let it soak. This will make it fresh and crispy. Once the potatoes are cooked, they start to float, guys. Here you can see we have got the light golden color that we needed. Now let's take them out. These are about 90% done, guys, and we will recook them when we make the wrap. For now, don't turn off the heat. Let the oil heat in medium high heat itself, and we will let the potatoes rest. For making the wrap, heat a fry pan or a tawa for cooking the paratha. Here I have taken a frozen puff paratha. Once the fry pan is medium hot, we will place the paratha in and we have to cook this until it starts to puff up. Any lacha paratha or a puff paratha would be great on this recipe. I had these frozen ones lying, so I'm using that today. Once it starts to puff up, we will flip it and cook this on medium heat until it is golden and done from both the sides. Guys, and the oil is also super hot right now, so let's flash fry them. I'm talking about the potatoes. We will carefully add them in. I'm just using enough for 1 wrap right now. Once you add the potatoes in this super hot oil, keep them moving, and I mean both the stuff, potatoes as well as you have to keep an eye on the paratha as well. Nothing should burn. This paratha is also about to be done, and the potatoes are already done. You can see we have got a beautiful brown color on these ones, and these are super crunchy. We will take them out and place it in an absorbent paper so that the excess oil is absorbed. And here you can see the paratha is also ready and crispy. We will place it in a plate to make the wrap. The process is pretty easy, guys. We will take some chipotle sauce or dressing, about a good tablespoon, and spread it on the paratha. I generally don't use these kind of premixed sauces, but this stuff is good, guys. You can also try my homemade harissa sauce recipe. I made it in my taco mexicana video. That would be great on this. And if you use that, you can skip this packaged chipotle sauce. Chalo, next we will tear and place some cabbage leaves without the water, and over that we have to place our crunchy potatoes. To make it better, here I am adding our sliced onions, some tomato. Tomato pieces are great on this. It adds a nice tangy and juicy taste. And next we have to season this. Remember, this just has salt right now. So to season, here I have got some chili flakes, and we will also add a good amount of pizza oregano. That's not all, we will make it yummy and saucy. For that, here I have the chipotle sauce. We will drizzle a good amount of that over the potatoes along with some tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup will balance the heat, guys. We have also added a lot of chili flakes, right? So balance it out. After that, just roll it up. Here's our crunchy aloo wrap ready. Do try this recipe, guys. Once you make it, you will love the crunchiness and the tangy spicy taste of this one. It will make you make this regularly, guys. So when are you planning it? So guys, that was my third video on the work from home series. You guys are liking it a lot. If you like this one, do give it a like and share it with your friends. I hope to see you soon with one more video. That's all for today. Bye. Take care. Happy cooking.